My name is Banu Cole, and I'm a scientific director here at HemoShear Therapeutics.
My name is Steve Hoang. I'm the head of computational biology. Computational biologists study biological systems as a whole, whereas a molecular biologist like Banu studies individual components of a system. I study how all of those components interact together to make a cell work.
We create organs on a bench. So what that means is that these organs on a bench are basically a device that is able to mimic the real human organ. And so here at HemoShear we have 120 of these devices, and they could be a liver organ, they could be a tumor, or they could be a blood vessel. And we'll take all of these experiments and try to learn more information about that biology so that we can use that to try to help cure diseases.
So out of our system we generate large amounts of data, and to interpret that data we have to be able to visualize it. So I come up with methods for visualizing and interpreting that data and making sense of it.
And so we'll put the cells under a microscope, and we can look at how the different proteins localize within one cell, and we can also see how the localization changes from a healthy versus a diseased cell. So you can imagine that is a much safer way, it's a much faster way to try to get your answers, and you can get a lot more information by doing that experiment on the organ on the bench. That means we're going to be able to develop drugs for these diseases that we're studying at a much faster pace than if you're doing experiments in the human.
We perform complex experiments that require a whole team of people to understand. And those people come together to interpret the results of experiments that we do and to plan new ones. That's how drug discovery progresses.
Jobs in drug discovery are hot jobs because we can really understand the biology at the cellular level and then use this information to help cure diseases.
Computational biology is a hot job because there's a huge opportunity to use math and computer science to improve the lives of very sick people, both of which require a lot of persistence to learn, so don't give up.
To connect with science in our community, go to ideastations.org/sciencematters.